I decided that all my makeup line is going to be 50% skincare and 50% makeup. It's going to be heavily drenched with skincare. Just because that founder had a fascination of seeing women with the round belly, he curated a product. Come on, it's your fascination. It's not solving a problem. ये क्या है? मैं लेकर आया हूँ नाभी तेल. Guys, just do go on YouTube and see that episode. You will crack up into laughter like anything. क्या solution है वो? I rejected like 7 formulas. And we are claiming that it actually does show results in terms of improved skincare because we do have test reports and lab reports for it. आप जैसे हो आप सुंदर हो. I beauty breaks into I as in myself.
I'm beautiful.
BAEUTY. My beauty is my bae. Hence is I beauty. And if you have skin concerns, first of all, खुद डॉक्टर मत बनो, consult a dermat. Ask, even if you're allowed to put makeup on skin that's already irritated. If you have active acne, मत लगाओ उस पे makeup.
Hey everyone, I'm Priya Suchdeva, your host at Trending Diaries show. Your journey to connect with ideas, stories, experiences and people and get deeper understanding of the world around you starts now. Today I'm with Manya Nair, who's the founder of iBeauty. And आज के एपिसोड में हम बात करने वाले हैं if you are someone who's looking to start your own business, a D2C brand or a beauty brand, how you can do that. Moreover that, we'll learn the challenges and prosperity of the same. With that said, also there will be a rapid fire round that will help you to know more about the D2C brand and beauty business. So stay tuned. And before tuning in, make sure you'll subscribe and like this episode because your feedback really matters to us. So, hi Manya, welcome to Trending Diary.
Thank you for having me here, Priya, today after so much conversation.
Scheduling and rescheduling.
Yeah, rescheduling here, not here, but hi.
So, enlighten our audience before we begin this podcast. So about yourself.
Hi, I'm Manya. I'm 24 years old and I'm the founder of iBeauty, which is India's first gender-neutral beauty brand. And rest you can get to know about me when we lead the conversation.
Talk about iBeauty because in such a competitive market, जहाँ पे every day, every month एक नई beauty brand आ रही है, cosmetic brand आ रही है. Why iBeauty?
So iBeauty was born back when we were all hit by COVID first lockdown. And there was this era when everyone was trying to become an influencer during that first lockdown and everyone was trying to pursue their own interests. तब यार उस टाइम पे मुझे हिट करा अंकुश बहुगुणा started doing his makeup. He was called out. So did Siddharth Batra. And so did many other, men around on Instagram. So I was like, यार ये तो किसी ने नहीं सोचा. ऐसा तो किसी मेकअप प्रोडक्ट पे नहीं लिखा होता है. It's specifically made for women. Even if I go by dictionary, beautiful का definition is not that only a woman can be beautiful और एक लड़का सुंदर नहीं हो सकता. Beautiful by dictionary goes like anything that's pleasing to eyes and is good looking. So why not makeup be something that's gender neutral, and if somebody wants to look good, wants to wear makeup, then what's stopping them? A gender? Are you like serious or kidding me? ऐसा नहीं होता. So but then they were also using these brands like the mass brands that are out there, Lakme, Maybelline, other brands that were there in the market, वो सब use कर रहे थे. The lapse was एक preconceived notion है, which is also true. I wouldn't say it's not true. Makeup skin खराब करता है. Makeup skin तब खराब करता है, आपको तब दाने होते हैं और it just reacts to your skin when it's not suitable enough या फिर उसका जो formula होता है, it's not well suited for the skin. ठीक है, so then I decided it's a gap that the formulas should be versatile enough to suit all the skin types. I know one formula, it's not one size fits all, but we can try to be up more and close and more, mindful about the ingredients at least. So I decided that all my makeup line is going to be 50% skincare and 50% makeup. It's going to be heavily drenched with skincare. So any makeup product that I launch, I make sure it's 50% skincare. वो simultaneously आपके कोई ना कोई skin concern, जो massive आपके skin concerns होते हैं, like dark spots and all, आप cover करने की कोशिश करते हो, आप उसको cover तो कर रहे हो, simultaneously it's also healing that.
Right.
So having that remedial kind of approach and also being mindful about the formula कि ये दोनों skin type को suit करे. That was the main idea, and also the idea was to have the product line that's not available in India. Every brand is doing the same. अच्छा हम foundation निकाल रहे हैं, अच्छा हम concealer निकाल रहे हैं, अच्छा हम compact निकाल रहे हैं. I wanted to bring out something, you know, that was not already there. The market was not existing only. I didn't want to barge into the existing market. Never was the plan, never will be a plan. Maybe you can't predict future and you should never say never. Maybe future, I don't know what it has for me. Kuch hoga tab hoga. So the first product that I launched was Tinsel Massaging Serum. Is super close to my heart. We formulated that. I rejected like 7 formulas. And we are claiming that it actually does show results in terms of improved skincare because we do have test reports and lab reports for it. So imagine 40 days testing each formula until the perfect one comes out. So we took 2 years to formulate our one product, and then we got that out in the market.
Interesting.
So we also launched it with the influencer called Purav Nagi. He was a budding influencer back then, and he was, you know, a male doing makeup, which I thought was interesting, and that was the entire concept. I didn't want people to perceive it in a way that अच्छा ये makeup brand आया है मर्दों के लिए. No, that was not the thing. It was for every gender. And then later we did our influencer marketing and everything took up from there. That was the thing.
You know, I really appreciate that fact, you know, that point you bring up, that lots of people have this misconception कि, you know, makeup करने से skin खराब हो जाता है बहुत सारा, which I agree to very little extent कि if you do overdo of everything, it is going to, you know, ruin you. But at the same time, I think lots of women still at their very early age, they do not have knowledge of how to choose the product.
Exactly.
So if you can maybe enlighten our audience a bit, let's say if someone with a brown skin, if someone with an oily skin, how to choose their makeup products, or maybe a basic thing, a foundation.
I will start on with that. So Tinsel Massaging Serum, it's a serum. It has a serum-like consistency. That is a massaging serum. Looks like a foundation, but it's not a foundation. So when I was formulating and ideating that, my basically iBeauty is a brand made for browns, specifically for Indian skin tones, and is catering to Indian skin tones. Maybe later on when we expand to international markets, we'll come up with a new shade range. But as of now, we are restricted to it. So it has a pH adjusting formula. It doesn't give you that tacky white cast, and it doesn't really. When you massage it into a skin, it just gives you that perfect kind of shade that is you. Usually लोग क्या करते हैं, फाउंडेशन खरीदनी है जी क्योंकि गोरा लगना है. देखो 2 shades lighter, देखो 1 shade lighter, देखो 1 shade darker, contour के लिए. या ऐसा करना है वैसा करना है. No, आप जैसे हो आप सुंदर हो. iBeauty breaks into I as in myself.
I'm beautiful.
BAEUTY. My beauty is my bae, hence is iBeauty. So when you are choosing a foundation or whatever for yourself, do not go a shade down or a shade above. Go for the shade that you are. Whatever color you are, you're beautiful, you're born with that, embrace it. Come on, let's just be very honest about it. माने जैसा कोई और है क्या? मेरे जैसा कोई और है या आपके जैसा कोई और है? So why be करीना कपूर? वो exist कर रही है, तुम अपना बनो यार. So that's the thing. And if you have skin concerns, first of all, खुद डॉक्टर मत बनो, consult a dermat. Ask, even if you're allowed to put makeup on skin that's already irritated. If you have active acne, मत लगाओ उस पे makeup. और अगर even if you're putting, make sure you're putting your right skincare that's well suited to your skin, then you are doing it. Don't just go by कि फलाना बंदा लगा रहा है तो आज हम भी लगा लेते हैं. No, that's not the psyche of skin.
Interesting. I really like the concept of where you mentioned, and I can see that confidence in you, I think, which really reflects in your brand and the brand name as well.
Thank you.
So I appreciate that. With that said, there's another segment that I really want to discuss.
Sure.
So let's say if anyone in their early 20s, some inspiring entrepreneurs or women entrepreneurs who want to start their beauty brand or a D2C brand, right? What things should they know? So let's say first thing first, what in terms of legalities, in terms of you know, as you mentioned, it took you 2 years to create one formula. How to connect these people who, you know, create these formulas. Let's say I don't know anything about the D2C. So if you can make me understand.
First of all, you really need to figure out your target market and the product. Product market fit is exceptionally important. I can't stress that fact enough. First of all, think about what product are you doing and what solution is it bringing out. ऐसा नहीं हवा में तीर मार के this funny I would like to narrate a story. Shark Tank में season 1 में there was this belly oil वाला एक pitch. Like just because that founder had a fascination of seeing women with the round belly, he curated a product. Come on, it's your fascination. It's not solving a problem. ये क्या है यार, मैं लेकर आया हूँ नाभी तेल. Guys, just do go on YouTube and see that episode. You will crack up into laughter like anything. क्या solution है वो? Like, and I was like, मुझे ऐसा कुछ नहीं करना. खैर वो तो बहुत बाद में air out हुआ था. It's just a reference. कोई irrelevant चीज मत निकालो. Work on a product that's actually solving a problem first. Second, when you have decided onto the product, start your research. A well-researched product is always going to do wonders, because I'm going to tell you a story after this about my own product only. So start hunting on Google. You have this armor. We live in an internet age. We are all Gen Z. We are all well versed with the fact that how we use Google, internet, access everything. Thankfully, touch wood, my dad is into the business of dyes, colors and chemicals, so I got his little help because he's already into this field of chemicals and all. So I got some contacts from him. But then you can't just, two swords can't be in the same ground.
Right.
He had his opinions, I had my opinions. So whatever contacts he would bring or would help me out in that, we would talk it out, do it out. But eventually he would, because I know about makeup more than he would, and it's vice versa. I wouldn't know about chemicals as much as he does. So I would take his opinions on the formulations, and the results would depend on me if I approve it or not. No matter what the amalgamation or however it is standing out. So I got little help from there as well, but we eventually always like we ended on what my opinion was on a certain product or on a certain formula. And he never questioned me on the fact if I didn't choose his contact and I went with my own. So that was that. So moving on from that, do your research, get the formulas, don't just settle on one. Test it out.
Just one more question to this. When you say get the formulas done, I don't know from where I can get the formulas done.
So
who should I connect?
Formulist. There are cosmetology formulists out there. There are personal
And how will I find them?
So you can easily find them on India Mart. There are a lot many production houses who are working on it. They do third party labeling massively in India. What happens is, so the major agenda was my brand was Make in India. 2020 was the time when our Prime Minister really emphasized on the fact that boycott China.
MIA compliant, Make in India compliance.
Make in India, Make in India, Make in India, and I think that's fair enough. ठीक है यार, थोड़े 10-15 रुपए फालतू एक प्रोडक्ट पे आएंगे, but eventually just think of a bigger impact.
It is creating for the country.
It literally is creating for the country. तुम वैसे कोई जाके दान पुण्य कर नहीं रहे हो, ऐसे ही कर लो. टैक्स भी तुमने आधे लोगों ने देना नहीं होता, तो ऐसे ही दे दो. It's like do what is right. मैं 10 रुपए फालतू चार्ज करना प्रेफर करूंगी rather than giving customs to somebody who has created a pandemic. So I supported this idea of his. I rather would go for an expensive packaging rather than go for a cheap one. मुझे पता है कि जो पैकेजिंग मैं यहाँ बनवा रही हूँ, मैं अगर चाइना से सोर्स कराती वाया शिपिंग रूट फलाना रूट, मुझे बहुत सस्ता पड़ता फिर भी. But no, that was never the idea. And my dad always has told me this thing, never take shortcuts. मुझे 2 साल लग गए, बट आई रियली वांटेड टू क्रिएट अ प्रोडक्ट जो लाइक मैं खुद भी अपनी स्किन पे लगाऊं. मैं बना के जी रख दिया वहाँ सजा के, ये ना मेरा ब्रांड है, ये मेरा प्रोडक्ट है, यूज कर लो. नो, दैट वाज नेवर द आइडिया. इट वाज ऑलवेज टू गिव क्वालिटी टू अर्न बैक द ट्रस्ट. I'm happy selling 10 bottles. I don't want to sell 1,000, but if that 10 is returning to me organically, that's my win.
Fair enough.
So you find the formulist, and when you find the formulist, you design the packaging, you do all of that for designing the packaging and doing the, you can find graphic designers and everyone very easily everywhere around. So that happens that ways. And also when you perfect the formula, when you're satisfied with the formula, seek opinion of people around you, make them test out the products. everyone in my family, in my own family, my extended family, my relatives, I made everyone try the product, took their approval. Then I was like, okay, done. Not just them, it's like I would ask my sister's friends. I would say, oh, my friend is working on this brand. Would you please try it out for me? Let me know your opinion. I wouldn't say so कि ये मेरा है, so they don't have like a personal bias. Oh, like Manya is doing it, so let's just say all goody things and all of that. No, don't sugarcoat in front of me. So I would do that. And yeah, then you figure out the pricing. And you also mentioned about legality. So since I incorporated the brand with my dad's company only, so I was lucky enough to have the GST number in place. So GST is one of the most important things that you should and must have. And since I was launching as a small brand, so I also made sure I have MSME certificate, which is Ministry of Small Entrepreneurial something. Sorry, please, that's my bad. I don't know the full form, but do search it on Google. And
MSME certificate.
MSME certificate is needed when you are launching as like a small brand. Do that. It's beneficial only. It's nice. And then take FDA approval. FDA approval is one of the core, approvals that you need to take.
For beauty brands or in general?
For beauty and personal care is like your formulas and everything is tested and approved by government. So that's what I would say is there. And then obviously the manufacturing license, whichever factory is making your product, make sure they have a valid license and not an expiry one. I was clueless because I started my journey into beauty as a segment when I was like 19. So I started interning with this brand called Ohri Ayurveda. Rajni Ohri is the founder. And she was the one who was very deeply, corely inspired by Ayurveda and Ayurvedic beauty, and her life is the narrative of Ayurveda in a nutshell. So from there on, I was, into beauty. From there on, I became the brand manager of that brand, and then I worked with other beauty brands. So, being a girl, I was always into makeup, liked makeup. I made a fiasco out of myself on my continuation party. मुझे मेकअप करना था, पर मेकअप करना आता नहीं था. So I just randomly go out with my friend Bani. She's my best friend. I go out with her. We shop for makeup. See 2-3 tutorials on YouTube. Slap that makeup on. That foundation was not even a match for me. I could have been easily offered a role in Ram Leela, I'm telling you, if they would have seen my makeup. And I was like, अपने दिमाग में मैं बहुत अच्छी लग रही हूँ. Until I saw my face after like a few hours, because it became all cakey and I was following that 16-step makeup routine. Foundation लगाओ, concealer लगाओ,
primer लगाओ,
ये लगाओ, वो लगाओ, कुछ नहीं पता मुझे, सब लगा लूँगी पर मैं. I slapped all that makeup on my face, went out, partied, came back, looked at myself and I was like, क्या डरावनी भूत लग रही हूँ मैं. तो तब से मुझे ऐसे मेकअप का बड़ा शौक हो गया. बिकेम लाइक अ मेकअप कलेक्टर. मैं कहीं बाहर जाती थी और कुछ नहीं मिलता था तो एक लिपस्टिक उठा के ले आती थी, क्योंकि फाउंडेशन वगैरह तो खरीदनी आती नहीं है, मुझे शेड मैच करना आता नहीं है. सो एंड मैं बॉटल्स खरीद के लाती रहती हूँ, ख़त्म ही नहीं होती. देन इट जस्ट एक्सपायर्स. ऑल्सो ऑन अ साइड नोट, your products usually have like a 24 months of expiry. Do not use it on your face, please. It's a request, humble request. Do not damage your skin barrier. जब product दो साल बाद खराब हो जाता है, please फेंक दो, मत रखो. Because I did that. I used to keep it. नहीं, मेरी collection है, सरमारू collection का, मेरी face खराब हो रहा है उससे. So that was the entire thing. मुझे आता नहीं था पर मैं लाती थी, करती थी. And then I was like, ठीक है, धीरे धीरे लेस इज मोर वाला कॉन्सेप्ट आना शुरू हो गया. एंड आई वेंट टू कॉलेज. द ओनली 2 थिंग्स आई यूज्ड टू यूज वाज लाइक सनस्क्रीन. There was this Maybelline का blush, it used to come, I used to put that and a lipstick. Done. That was my makeup. And then after that, all these freshers and everything come again. I have to wear full face of makeup. क्या लगाऊं? नहीं आता makeup करना. I would put a tutorial. I would follow the steps. Now, the models they have and the skin that I had a teenage skin. I was 18 years old. And the models you know, they are usually like 24, 25. And then back then, Malvika Sitlani was one influencer that I followed till date. Hope she sees it someday. So, and her new collab with Smashbox just came out with two, you know, these two lipsticks. That was, one was Driver Seat, the OG shade of Smashbox, and then there was this nude shade that I'm forgetting that I hated because it didn't suit me. It would wash me out. I ordered that, and I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna wear the foundation. I'm just gonna wear a concealer. I washed my face. मैं तब तक already foundation मुँह पे लगा चुकी थी. And then I just wore concealer, blended it with my blender because they were बार वो influencer बोली जा रहे थे blending is the key, blending is the key. मैं आधा घंटा तक blend ही करती रही अपना face. जबकि सब कुछ हो चुका, मैं blend ही करी जा रही हूँ. I put some blush, mascara, lipstick, and I was good to go. And I was like, wow, आज मेरा makeup अच्छा हुआ है. That means I don't need foundation. So then I ditched foundation, and till date, I don't use foundation. Till date, I don't use foundation. It's always the concealer, unless a makeup artist is doing my makeup. It's like obviously for a wedding or something. If they are putting. I can't stop them. But I would always tell them that foundation doesn't really suit me. It would, you know, cake my face and do the jazz. So likewise, they are also mindful, and they also appreciate the fact that I tell them beforehand. Like, this won't do the job. That's when Tinsum came into existence. You have to try it out.
I'll do.
Tinsum came and never left my face. So right now also I'm wearing Tinsum only. It's such a lightweight formula. Since like 2 seconds, I just have to massage in my skin. It just puts my face in place for the rest of the day. No concealer, no nothing. Just my blush, that's Gulabo on my face, my Tinsum, and my lipstick again, and I'm good. I'm sitting right here. So that's the thing. And yeah,
after a beautiful story, the click moment, right?
Yeah, okay, why? I wish I had something back when I was a teenager.
I think I appreciate when you said that you were, you know, telling that Shark Tank India story, that real entrepreneurship or you know, the real business comes out and they scale up when they're literally solving the problem.
Exactly.
The product speak for itself.
It has to.
Right? So once we know, now we know that how you created your product, right?
Yeah.
Explain a bit on the marketing. Let's say now you're also in the process of, you know, making it big, for sure. But what are the few steps that you've taken to, you know, get into the market, into distribution and marketing, and what one should do?
Okay, so we launched the brand back in 2022 and we came out with the first product in 2023. That happened. So the initial idea wasn't that big. Honestly, if I tell you, मैंने product बनवा लिया, मैंने सब कुछ कर लिया, and I was also working as a marketer for beauty brands and stuff, and I knew like things had to be in place and stuff. And I was only thinking that I would put my product on Amazon and Flipkart and I would sell it via that, and like the Instagram pages do. I was thinking of it that ways. I didn't think of it would become like a, you know, a brand that will have its own website and everything, and then everything started from there. I did not know how a website would be built. I did not know like how things would be there. So my cousin had her own brand of bags. I asked her, like, you know, she was at my place and I asked her, अच्छा तूने कैसे बनवाई, तूने क्या किया? She gave me the number of the website developer and I asked that guy, I asked her, अच्छा मेरी भी website बना दो. He made a website for me. And then I was like, he's like, आप डिजाइन तो दो, आप ये तो करो, आप वो तो करो. And I was like, इतना तामझाम होता है, मुझे तो किसने बताया नहीं इतना तामझाम होता है. Because I always entered brands when they were already, everything was in place and I just had to market the product and just had to give the strategy, the marketing strategy and stuff. And it's like, हाँ ठीक है, okay fine. मैंने सब उससे करवा लिया, उसने बताया payment gateways भी होते हैं मैम, ये होते हैं. Then it actually clicked me like, fuck, it's not a easy job to build a D2C brand. It is not easy. It sounds easy. There are a lot many things that you really have to take care of. So that's when we launched the brand. But I got super excited, by the way. When we launched the brand, in a day I got like 25k views with 120 followers, imagine. on my reel. I was like, wow, my brand is going to blow up. Website मेरी है नहीं बन रही है product. So it was that ways. But then I took a halt. I launched the brand. I was posting like, "ये वो coming soon, this, that, sneak peeks, ऐसे वैसे." And then later, like good 8-9 months later, I launched the product when everything was in place. Then I also during that time I also moved to London for my masters, and I was remotely handling it. And for the first month the orders came and I was happy. Even if it used to be like one order, I used to get super happy. Oh wow, I'm not even marketing it. Like people are actually liking my creation. It's really nice, and people are loving it, this and that. And the initial orders always come from your friends and family, and like somebody they would recommend and somebody they would just say things. So that all happened, and then after like 2-3 months the orders slowed down, and I was like, what the hell is happening? Why is it slowing down? Why are people not liking the product? And that time I was not working on the second product also. My this idea I uphold till date. I don't have to clutter my brand. I really don't have to like throw a product in the face of audience every month. There's no need. Come on, don't launch anything until it has a meaning. Don't launch anything until it's solving a problem. Simple. Come out with one product per quarter or one product 6 months. Make sure it is nice and effective. Just don't launch it for the sake of launching it. Just because your competitors are launching a product doesn't mean that you also have to launch a product. Be confident in your like existing product line and launch something substantial. Exactly, that's the idea. So 3 launches per year is something my goal has been this year, because we have been 1 year into proper sales and all of that, and that's exactly I am online with. So we're already planning our new launches for the upcoming year, for the first quarter of 2025. Hopefully everything goes in place. So yeah, that's the thing. And then I realized, what? I was also working with Type Beauty as the head of marketing that time, and I was like, I'm doing everything for Type. Like, planning, executing, we'll do this, we'll do that. Why not for my brand? Why am I not doing all of this? Budgets were also a concern, because whatever, come on, we have not taken any funding whatsoever. It's a completely bootstrapped brand, and all my money has gone in it. Obviously my dad has invested. कहाँ से लाऊं मैं इतने पैसे? मैं अंबानी थोड़ी हूँ, बन जाऊंगी. So that happened, and I was like, now my parents don't really know the concept of influencers. अच्छा, उन्हें समझाऊं कैसे? मुझे उन्हें पैसे देने हैं क्योंकि ना वो मेरे प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बात करेंगे. And then his first question was, पर प्रोडक्ट तो हमें
shown them Ori.
Yeah, I wish they knew who Ori was. उन्हें आज भी नहीं पता होगा. like, हाँ ठीक है, कोई है. So I was like, it's an actual business. And he was like, अगर ये influencer होना business है, imagine somebody is like opening a mouth of like, give me 60,000 and I will show your product like this. I was like, acha, nice. And like the brands that I was working back then with were spending like over 10 lakhs and in influencer marketing. The brands I previously worked, I also worked with this very now is big. I hope you know Swiss Beauty.
Yeah, I know Swiss Beauty.
Okay, so I was also working with them as a consultant. They had like huge budgets. I did not have that sort of budgets. So I would ask my friends to create videos for me so that I can put on my page. I would ask their reviews if I can put on their page, and I would be very happy when somebody would compliment them. Oh wow, your makeup is looking nice. And they used to take pride. My best friends Bani, Vanshika, and of course they will see this episode. So, and then my sister, my cousin Sanchi, like everyone was taking pride. My family was recommending. Everyone have been exceptionally supportive of me, and like they would recommend and tell people around, अच्छा ये try करो, अच्छा है. And then the orders would flow in slowly. So that's exactly when it struck me, Mana. Your product has power. It's nice. People are liking it. That's why it's selling off. Okay. Why not like move on to the next step? Have it listed across all these beauty platforms like Nykaa and all of that. luck struck me, touch wood, थू बुरी नजर मत लगाना, तुम्हें खुद लग जाएगी. Tira was in making that time, and it wasn't launched. 2023, I'm telling you about. So what happens is I'm already in touch with this woman from Reliance Industries. So I have this very, it's a good habit, तुम भी बनाओ, networking on LinkedIn. I network a lot on LinkedIn.
I think this has helped me a lot even when
है
I
ना?
was starting the podcast. I think LinkedIn was the prime platform where I used to get my guests.
I love LinkedIn.
And it is not just, you know, just help you to network, but literally create genuine connection if you are engaging enough and literally treating it like human.
Literally, no. And I think LinkedIn पे there are some jokes, I wouldn't lie. Some of them, they do treat LinkedIn like Tinder. It's not. But like, no, it's true.
Yeah.
करते हैं यार. A lot many people have hit on me via LinkedIn. Exactly. And but that's just the 10%. I would focus on the 90% of the good. People have actually helped. And now I'm a 24-year-old. I started networking back when I was 19, 20, and used to do it. There was this professor of mine, Sahil sir, in my college, and he told us, "Beta, LinkedIn use karo."
Your brand is on Tira?
Yes. So when Tira launched, my brand was already on it. I'm so grateful to God. I'm so grateful to that person that they actually believed in my brand. I got my first ever purchase order, and it was like a moment of, I don't know, I was on 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th sky. Like, I couldn't contain like my happiness. So I was like, wow, okay, I'm
doing something
I'm doing
right.
something. I'm doing something right. And then yeah, and then I took my marketing a little more seriously. I asked my dad for more money. And I was like, you know what? I need to invest in influencer marketing. And we started influencer marketing. We started our, working on the second product. I started researching on it. It was a very tough route, I would say. Thankfully, I had like 7, 8 cousins of mine in London. So, my relatives would often come visit them. So I used to ask if anyone was coming, so carry the samples. So they would get me samples from India. I would try them out. I would approve, and I would say, and then when they're going back, I would send some samples from London, like, try if you can crack it, try if you can do this, try if you can do that. So that's when my new product development also started after Tira. And by God's grace, we're all sold out on Tira and Ajio. So that's that, yeah. So that's how Tira happened. Hopefully, we are trying to get our way into quick commerce, because that's catching up like anything. Guys, if you have any contacts, slide into my DM, slide into my LinkedIn, please help me get on board with Blinkit, Zepto, Reliance वाले भी एक निकाल रहे, चलो वो I'll manage. But help me get on Instamart as well. So yeah, that's the plan.
Interesting. With that said, I have just noticed you're wearing a bracelet.
Yeah.
Right. So you are into spirituality, and what's that? You are wearing the bracelet of Guruji, right?
Yes, I am wearing the bracelet of Guruji. I do believe him in a lot. I used to be a super atheist person. I should not be saying what I'm going to say next. Pardon me, माफ करना भगवान जी. मैं किसी भगवान बाबा में नहीं मानती थी. 2018 2nd of February, my best friend Bani, so she used to go to Bade Mandir and she would believe in him, and I was actually going through some medical problem back then, and she asked me, like, and I was super stressed about it, and my boards were also 12th standard boards were on my head, and my pre boards were going on. So she said, एक बार चल ले वहाँ लंगर कर ले, तू ठीक हो जाएगी. I was like, अच्छा, वो गंजा क्या करेगा? That was my word. Literally. So sorry, and I know that I treat him as like मेरे दोस्त से मैं बात कर रही हूँ. And when I went there, I don't know what kicked in me. I really don't know. There was this certain urge of my my tears were rolling out like anything, and I didn't know what had happened to me when I entered that temple. And since then, it was no looking back. A lot
Have a
has.
faith. What change have you felt?
What change have I felt? If nothing, I have gratitude for everything. Even for the small, even for this thing I'm sitting right here. It's my first podcast that I'm recording. It's all by His grace. I mean, according to me, there are going to be many contradictory responses to this. If He wills, it will happen. Simple. Simple. I mean, इससे ज़्यादा मुझे ना कुछ पता है. I just have a very strong faith in Him. I fight with Him. I cry in front of Him. I share my first moments of joy, sorrow, whatever, with Him, and everything is His grace.
I think there's a one thing, because my family also believes in the same. And there's one concept that I really like of Bade Mandir. It's
Shukrana.
as I mentioned prior as well.
Yeah.
That gratitude for everything, Shukrana karna chahiye. And I think, I don't know,
You know
ये
how
Shukrana पहले इतना ज़्यादा
done नहीं
widely
करते थे.
बोलते थे. I've always been into prayers and everything, but this idea of gratitude,
Dude
which is
was
spreading,
never.
and it's beautiful.
It's super beautiful. Imagine, like, I have this gift of speech. There are people in the hospital lying fighting for this. I can walk. There are people fighting to
True
walk.
that.
So, yeah, simple joys.
So now, just before ending it, we'll quickly do a rapid fire. So
Definitely. I feel like I'm sitting on coffee with Karan.
Sure.
That's my most favorite segment.
Sorry, we do not have hampers here.
Next time.
Next time. Good idea.
Next time, maybe when I have like a brand face, manifesting guys, वो couch पे manifest कर रहा है, मैं chair पे कर रही हूँ. कोई नहीं, मेरा within आएगा.
So you have to be quick.
Okay. How much
Short.
like time?
Witty.
Okay.
I think there's a no, we are not going to put a stopwatch, but
Okay,
as quick as you can.
Let me brace
So,
myself.
yeah.
Okay, go on.
So, favorite beauty product you cannot live without?
A good lip balm.
One beauty trend you wish would make a comeback?
Would make a comeback. Winged eyeliners, because I never was able to wing it. शक्ल काली कर लेती थी.
Morning routine or night routine?
Morning routine, because it's not very hectic for me. Morning.
If you could collaborate with any celebrity or any influencer, who would it be?
Malkin and Ori. Malkin is Parul Gulati. She's a founder of Niche Hair. So, तुम लोगों को अगर नहीं पता तो, I love her.
I think she's a brilliant marketer.
She's a brilliant marketer. The way she has marketed her brand. Imagine the brand has been there in the market since 2017. She took her own sweet time, but when it blew up big.
Indeed.
So,
and Audi, of course.
Ori.
You're going to get viral.
YNR. Young and rich.
One piece of advice you would like to give, you are young though, you like to give to younger people, younger women who are coming to this field?
Do your R&D. Do not rush the process. Do not rush the process, please. And do not take decisions in haste. I did some mistakes. I wouldn't recommend you doing that.
What's your go-to self-care ritual?
Self-care ritual. If nothing, if I really do like nothing, put sunscreen on. अपने मुंह पे sunscreen लगाओ. कुछ मत करो, sunscreen लगा लो बस.
If you weren't in beauty industry, what would you be doing?
What would I be doing? Interesting. Then I would be like doing any marketing job or brand building. I love brand building. I built Type. I launched Type with my former boss, Ananya. I love her. She's been the OG Gen Z boss. Never gave the vibe of the boss. Always supported me like a friend. So I love building brands, yeah. And there was like, I love people who have no sense of competition, even if you are in the same
Industry.
Field. Yeah.
Favorite way to connect with your audience or your people?
via Instagram DMs. My favorite thing to do and my favorite thing to read.
Sharing reels.
Sharing reels. Every time, every day, while I was on my way to come here, also I was sharing useless, pointless reels. Nobody should see my explore section.
One word that describes you.
Spontaneous.
Any day. We can feel that. The last thing I'm curious to know, what is the one trend that you like to see more evolving in the new world, or one trend that you like to see more, more embraced? This is the question that we asked you.
In beauty?
Anything, in general.
In general. Kindness is sexy. Try. Be kind to your skin. Don't overload it just because you're seeing a certain bunch of influencers promoting it. Even though I do spend on influencer marketing, पर फिर भी persuade मत होना, क्योंकि मैंने बहुत हो के अपनी स्किन को खराब किया है. पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस से आ रहे हैं. आई एम नॉट सेइंग ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स दैट दे सजेस्ट इज बैड, but
be mindful and conscious.
Be very mindful. Be very mindful. Yeah.
And that's it. Thank you so much. It's
Thank
really
you.
lovely to have you.
That was quick. That was quick. And I did really well during this rapid fire. I would take the credit. Thank you.
You deserve the hamper.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.